20 essential words to make your English sound great. Hello. Today we're going to explore 20 essential words that will make your English more descriptive and impactful. These words will help you express yourself clearly and creatively in different situations. Each word in this list comes with a simple meaning and an example to show how you can use it in real life. Let's dive in and discover these powerful words together. 1. Ubiquitous, meaning found everywhere, very common. Example, mobile phones are ubiquitous these days. Everyone has one. 2. Adamant, meaning not willing to change your mind. Example, she was adamant about not eating junk food. 3. Ambiguous, meaning not clear, can have more than one meaning. Example, his answer was ambiguous, so we didn't know what to do. 4. Candid, meaning honest and straightforward. Example, she was candid about her feelings and told the truth. 5. Meticulous, meaning very careful and paying attention to details. Example, he is meticulous when it comes to cleaning his room. 6. Astute, meaning clever and able to understand things quickly. Example, the astute student found a solution to the problem quickly. 7. Plausible, meaning something that seems true or believable. Example, his excuse sounded plausible, so I believed him. 8. Imminent, meaning about to happen very soon. Example, the dark clouds mean a storm is imminent. 9. Callous, meaning not caring about other people's feelings. Example, his callous words hurt her deeply. 10. Daunting, meaning something that seems difficult or scary. Example, moving to a new country can feel daunting at first. 11. Trite, meaning overused and not interesting anymore. Example, his speech was full of trite ideas that everyone has heard before. 12. Bleak, meaning sad, hopeless, or without much chance of success. Example, the landscape looked bleak with no trees or flowers. 13. Distraught, meaning very upset or worried. Example, she was distraught when she couldn't find her lost dog. 14. Sanctimonious, meaning acting as if you are better or more moral than others. Example, his sanctimonious behavior annoyed everyone at the meeting. 15. Hapless, meaning very unlucky or having bad luck. Example, the hapless boy fell into the puddle on his way to school. 16. Egregious, meaning very bad or shocking. Example, the company made an egregious mistake by sharing private customer information. 17. Undaunted, meaning not afraid or discouraged by difficulties. Example, she was undaunted by the challenge and kept working hard. 18. Frugal, meaning spending money wisely and not wasting it. Example, he is very frugal and saves most of his money. 19. Ostentatious, meaning showing off to impress others. Example, she wore an ostentatious dress to show everyone how rich she is. 20. Unwitting, meaning not done on purpose, accidental. Example, he was an unwitting helper in the prank and didn't know what was going on. Words like these are tools to make your English more expressive and engaging. Practice them daily in your conversations and writing, and watch how your language skills improve. Keep learning and growing your vocabulary. Your English will improve and sound even better. Thank you.